Hey everyone, so this is my fall 2020 update on the state of the channel. So far the start of the year has been absolutely been great. The channel has definitely grown. Right now we're about 650 subscribers, and I'm hoping that we can hit 1,000 before the end of the year. As that will allow me to unlock the community tab, which will allow me to communicate a little bit more freely with you guys. If you guys are interested in actually communicating with me, the best way is through Twitter at Ember Sky Media, but I'm also on Instagram, Ember Sky Media, and Facebook. Guess what? Ember Sky Media. What a shocker. So let's jump right into what's happening this fall on this channel. So I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the channel for fall 2020, give you sort of a heads up on what's going to be going on. The summer's been pretty good, but it's been pretty hot, so short nights and warm weather does not do well with my uncooled camera gear. But I did manage to get a few little videos done over the summer for astronomy. So as the weather gets colder and the nights get longer, I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more astronomy and giving you some more tips and tricks videos, and telling you about how I'm going to be doing some imaging with the telescopes that I have and the camera equipment I do. I also have some new gear showing up thanks to a patron of the channel. I will have a I think that's how we pronounce it, Sionyx Aurora Pro showing up. Now I know that there are astronomers out there that love to use the Aurora and the Aurora Sport Black, and I think it's Adventure, but the Pro actually has a new sensor upgrade to it, so it's going to be something interesting to see, as it's supposed to be usable without any moon at all. So I'm going to definitely be doing a couple of views on that, but also seeing how does it work when we start to get a little, 3D printing done, and see if we can get it connected up to some telescope gear and see if you can actually use that as a astrophotography camera. I'm also going to be doing some processing tutorials over the next couple months, as I've learned a couple of new tricks, and I'm also using some new software to sort of give you an idea as to what you could really push and pull with only a couple hours worth of data. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to be doing some multi-night imaging sessions and sort of get you that deeper view into the cosmos. So I hope you enjoy that. I also have coming up another telescope review and a mount review. I'm going to be looking at the Losmandy GM8 Mount, but also I have a NexStar mount. You see them like with the NexStar 8, NexStar 6, that stuff. I actually have one of those, and we'll be looking at that because those are very popular mounts. And one of the big benefits of being at 1,000 subscribers is that I actually get the community tab. Oddly enough, they don't give it to you until you are at 1,000. So if you have any ideas for the channel, things you want to see, questions you have from past videos or some of the stuff I've talked to you about today, leave it in the comments below. And yeah, if you're interested in supporting the channel, I'll also have a if you're interested in supporting the channel, I'll also have a link below where you can give a small donation. It helps me not have to rely on sponsors to get some equipment, but also I've had some people ask me, is this better than that? And I'm like, well, I only have the one item. To go out and get the other item or rent it or whatnot is not financially feasible, so a couple extra bucks there and definitely helps out. So I'm also going to be talking about 3D printing on this channel a little bit, with most of the focus being 3D printing for astronomy. I'm definitely working on this little project here, which is to 3D print a Telrad dew shield. I'm working on a mirror cell for larger mirrors that can be sort of scaled up and down using 3D printing. And I have a bigger project that I'm starting to work on probably in November, which is going to be designing my own 3D printed telescope. I'm just currently trying to source the optics, which is what the whole design is going to be based around. So that's going to actually be quite cool, and that should take me through the winter, along with, again, the imaging and review videos that I enjoy doing. Although I'm also going to occasionally have something a little bit more fun because, Halloween's coming, so here's a glow-in-the-dark ghost that theoretically glows in the dark. Oh, look! It actually glows in the dark. Haha! Victory is mine. I'm hoping you guys will continue to join me on this journey and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, notification, bell, all that good stuff, and tell your friends, share a video if you enjoy it, so that we can actually grow this channel and I can get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, so I can get that community tab, so I can actually say, hey guys, here we go, and run some polls, etc., to sort of get some feedback on what you guys want to see in the channel come 2021. So thanks for watching, clear skies, and yeah. it's going to get cold, it's going to get dark, and it's going to get fun.